गोंयांत नवे उद्देग सुरू जावचे ह्या हेतान सरकार नवे उद्देगीक धोरण तयार करतले। गुंतवणूक उत्तेजन मंडळ तशेंच उद्देग खात्यां मदीं समन्वय आसचो अशे तरेचें हें धोरण आसतलें अशें उद्देग मंत्री मॉविन हाणें सांगलें। गुंतवणूकदार गोंयांत गुंतवणूक करपाक इत्सूक आसात। बऱ्याच गुंतवणूकदारांनी गोंयांत येवपाची इत्सा उक्तायल्या। गोंयांत गुंतवणूक खातीर संवसारीक पावड्या वयली परिशद घेवपाची मागणी जाता। ह्या विशीं अभ्यास करून निर्णय जातलो अशें गुदिनो हाणें सांगलें। उद्देजकांक कितें जाय कितें नाका हाचो पयलीं विचार करचो पडटलो। CGSTंत सवलत दिवची अशी सगळ्यांची मागणी आसा। मुळाव्यो सुविधा तशेंच हेर गजालींचो विचार करून गुंतवणूकदारांची परिशद आयोजीत करतले अशें गुदिनो हाणें मंत्रिमंडळ बसके उपरांत म्हायती दिली।
We are working on the new industrial policy totally. As I said earlier, even if we need to tweak the Industrial Act or even the procedure where we have an investment promotion board, we want both the institutions to work in tandem, work smoothly in a transparent manner and encourage more industry to come. Because I am doing this homework because simply tomorrow I organize meetings. Like there was a suggestion even for a global investors meet. I have been meeting various industrialists. I said first I will do my homework. I will do the groundwork and then I will have such investment meets, whether it is in our own country, others than Goa, whether in Bombay or elsewhere. People have already invited me that you please come and call industrialists. But before I call them, I should know what I am able to give them in terms of land, in terms of policy, in terms of waivers. They're like the only condition perhaps what they are asking is we only SGST should be waived. We don't want any other concession.